Well, that was a disaster. The stock market just crashed again. Everyone's freaking out, watching their portfolios tank. Did you see it coming? Were you caught off guard? Me? I barely noticed, because I don't put my money where Wall Street can play with it. Instead, I invest in Florida tax liens. You ever heard of them? They don't crash. They don't swing with the economy. They definitely don't keep me up at night. But what they do, that's one of the best kept secrets in investing. Something only a handful of investors truly understand. Want to know what it is? Howdy folks, I'm Jesse Jameson, better known as the Taxi Dude. What I'm about to share might completely change the way you think about your financial future. You'll start questioning your investments, your savings accounts, your retirement plan, and even your real estate strategy. Because I'm about to show you how I lock in a guaranteed minimum 5% return on my money every single time. And the best part, I only have to work a few weeks a year to do it. The rest of the time, I sit back while my money works for me. This isn't just investing, it's the ultimate passive income. These are real deposits in just a couple of my bank accounts within the last few weeks. Money I made just for sitting back and letting the tax liens do the work. But here's something most investors don't know. It's the best kept secret in the world of investing, and you're hearing it first right here on my channel. While stock investors hope for a 5 to 10% and a good year return, I can earn that in just days with a guaranteed minimum 5% all year long. And the best part, I never make less than 5% on my investments, ever. Under Florida Statute 197-472, the state mandates a 5% minimum penalty on every tax lien, no matter how fast it's paid off or what interest rate the investors originally bid. Even if a property owner settles their taxes the very next day, I still receive that 5% return. If it happens within a month, that translates to a 60% annual percentage yield. Secured by real estate, not the unpredictable stock market. This little known rule is a game changer, offering consistent returns that many investors overlook. And I don't do this all year. I take just a few short weeks, invest in Florida's annual tax lien auctions, and then I sit back while my money works for me. Random deposits all year long. It's like Christmas in July, but also in August, in February, in September. I think you get the picture, right? No stress, no guessing, just real returns. So while everyone else is panicking over the market, I'm just over here waiting for my next deposit. Florida's tax lien auctions are just a few weeks away, and I've got something exclusive coming for only those who are ready to take action today. I'm giving free VIP access to something big, but only for a limited time. If you want to be ahead of the game, now's your chance. Don't miss it. Head over to floridataxinvestors.com/free VIP access. And if you don't want to miss out, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll be sharing more insider tips and key strategies to get you ready before the auctions start. Don't let another tax season pass you by. Secure your investments now to stay ahead in this volatile market. Saddle up for success, start investing like the pros.